accident. No need to worry, Yoli.
Yeah, it was just an accident, Yoli. It's okay. Okay. So. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Miss Mimi, what do you have to share?
I got my ears pierced.
Let's take a close look. Very pretty. Miss Hope, what happened with you?
We went to the mall and got some magazines, and guess what was on the magazines?
Of course.
Miss Shay, right? Yes, and on Cookie's magazine, Miss Shay was on every single page, and it was just so distracting.
I know, Miss Shay is very rich. And plus Miss Elizabeth is going to...
She's taking over the Shays.
I know.
Is what she's doing.
Yeah. Well, let's keep doing our dining.
Of being rich.